Hi everyone. Welcome to Coco Senor, and today I will teach you how to solve the issue if iPhone passcode changed itself. Way 1. Try to enter the default or use screen passcode. You can tap the common passcodes to have a try, such as 000000 and 111111. Way 2. Use iPhone passcode tuner to unlock the device. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Open cocozena.com and find the iPhone passcode tuner webpage. After that, download and install the software. Now open Coco Senor iPhone passcode tuner, click Unlock Lock Screen, and click Start. OK, connect the iPhone to your computer. Then make your iPhone enter recovery mode. See, the iPhone shows a recovery screen now. Go back to your computer, and click Next on the software interface. Your iPhone details are listed here. Click Download. The firmware package is downloading. Oh, the firmware is verified success. The software tells users this unlocking process will erase all iPhone data. If you are OK with this, click Unlock. Alright, you made it. The iPhone restarts on the Hello screen. You can set it up now. If needed, you can create a new passcode to lock your iPhone. Way 3. Erase your iPhone when iPhone is unavailable. Try all possible passwords until you get the iPhone unavailable screen. Tap Forgot Passcode instead. Click Start iPhone Reset. Enter the Apple ID password. Tap Erase iPhone. OK, the iPhone is reset to factory settings. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.